Okay, good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. So when I came on Tuesday, I said I wasn't sure if I was going to be on Wednesday. I didn't come on yesterday because I did have a few things to do in the morning. So that's the reason why I wasn't on. But I think, do you know, actually, I used to come live Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. Well, I used to come live every day, actually. But when I did change it, I did used to come live on a Thursday. So anyway, I thought let's do it today because it's Thursday. So the notification's just gone out. Let me load the chat. We're going to do the Anagram quest and then we're going to do a crossword. If you've got any suggestions of things you would like, then let me know and I will be live again tomorrow. So are we ready? Let's make a start then. So I'll give you some questions and you've got to use the letters in the circle. And if you get each one right, you get 10 points. So first one then is on political quotes. So first one then, politics is not an blank science. Politics is not an blank science. So use the letters in the circle. And if you get it right, you get 10 points. I'm just going to wait for my chat to load and then I'll get rid of the chat box. Okay, any guesses? So the clue ends in a T. We've got an A and a C. So I hope you're all well. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful day. I think tomorrow's gonna, if you're in the south of England, if you needed anything for the for this heat wave we're gonna get, do have a look in my shopping basket in the showcase. Hello Priscilla, good to see you. It's strange, the only time I do come live on a Thursday usually is because I do TikTok shop. And there is actually a campaign starting today. It's if you're wanting anything to do with your summer holidays, I'll put out a video later with some of the products that are discounted. Okay, is it exact? Is correct. Well done. Right, next one then. All I know is what I blank in the papers. All I know is what I blank in the papers. Is it read? Read is correct. Well done. Number 3. Harold Wilson said 48 hours is a long time in blank. "48 hours is a long time in blank." I think that could be my mail. No. No, not at the minute. Is it politics? Is correct. Okay, next one. And Aristotle said, man is by blank a political animal. Man is by blank a political animal. So we've got an R in there, a U. Starts with an N. I think I know this one. Man is by, is it nature? Is correct. Well done. LOS, good to see you. And okay, well done everyone. Right, in the midst of blank, there is also opportunity. In the midst of blank, there is also opportunity. Hello Lynn, good to see you, good morning. I bet you're thinking, 1 second, today's Thursday, what are you doing on? Is it chaos? It is correct. I might do Thursdays change from Wednesdays to Thursdays. Okay, politics. I'll let you know on Tuesday if I do change it. Politics is the blank of controlling your environment. Politics is the blank of controlling your environment. Is it art? Art is correct. Okay, number 7. Life without blank is like a body without spirit. Life without blank is like a body without spirit. Any guesses? I hope you're all well. Did you yesterday, I bet you were all wondering where I was. It's like last week, I didn't come on. What day did I didn't come on last week? I think it was Tuesday, wasn't it? So last week I didn't do Tuesday. This week I didn't do Wednesday. Is it Liberty? Actually, I'm not going to be on. Well, I might be on next Friday. It's just I'm going to a concert, so. I will be live next week. Right, next week, number 8, Shakespeare said, the abuse of greatness is when it disjoins blank from power. The abuse of greatness is when it disjoins blank from power. This is a good quote. Is it armours? Not armours. Remorse? Or rumours? Remorse? I don't know if I'm going to spell this right. Let's fill it in. Yeah, it is remorse, I think. But R-E-M-O-U-S-E? Nope. It was remorse. Right, that's not going to change green because I filled in the letters. Okay. Next one then. Office holders are blank of the people, not their masters. Office holders are blank of the people, not their masters. I was thinking this morning, when we do, the trivia at the end, would you like to use that as a chance to learn about something? So, and then we can all learn together, like a topic or something. If you've got any suggestions, let me know. In fact, we can start it today, actually. If you've got anything in it, like a topic, let me know. Oh, is it agent? You're all typing in, I'm missing the comments. Agents is correct. Number 10, this could be your last one. Never try to discourage thinking, for you are sure to blank. Never try to discourage thinking, for you are sure to blank. Is it succeed? These are the type of things we need, don't we, more of on TikTok and online. I can't spell this. Is correct. Well done, guys. So obviously it's not going to do this one because we filled the letters in. So well done, guys. All right, let's come away from Anagram Quest. If you want to download that, you get a free game each day. If you want the extras, you have to pay for that. So that's separate to a TikTok, of course. Okay, so let's do a crossword then. If you don't know a crossword, I'll give you the clue. We fill in the crossword, we complete it. And then I ask you at the end how long you think that took to complete. So let's go for let's choose one. There's loads on here that we've never done before, so why do I always repeat them? We'll go for this one. Let's try this one. Here we go. Best of luck, guys. Your first clue, if there's no advert. Okay. One across. Decongestant, maybe. Decongestant, maybe. And we're looking for a 5-letter word. So yeah, things to tell you about today then. If you're on TikTok Shop, we've got the summer holiday. It's like a summer holiday sale. So you'll see things discounted. So always look for vouchers and coupons. That's what I always tell you. And then you'll get some discount. Okay, is it Vicks? Not Vicks. Starts with the letter S. And then there's another sale at the end of this month. I can't remember the exact dates, but there's going to be some discounts as well. Is it nasal? Not nasal. Is it spray? Is correct. Okay, 6 across. Romantic flower. I know this one. Romantic flower. Hello, Nassim. Thanks for joining. Is it rose? Is correct. And 10 across. Dawn's moisture. Dawn's moisture. We're looking for a 3-letter word. And obviously you can always check my profile as well, guys. I do post videos for products with good discounts and things. So have a look there. Okay, 13 across. High class. High class. 5 letters. Is it elite? Is correct. And 14 across. Really bad. Really bad. 4 letters. Would you like a clue? Starts with the letter E. Starts with letter E. Second letter is a V. I know this one. It might be a banned word, so I'm going to say it. Is it evil? Well done if you said evil. And 15 across, 4 letters. Your clue is leave. Leave. Is it exit? Is correct. 17 across. Relatives. 5 letters. Relatives. 5 letters. Is it family? Not family. Starts with a letter A. Is it aunts? Is correct. Okay, 18 across. Your clue is scar. Looking for a 4-letter word. Jamie saying Mark. Is it Mark? It is Mark. Well done. And 19 across. Repellent. Repellent. 4 letters. Is it deet? Not deet. Okay, it starts with a letter V. V. Bit tricky to see, guys. I do apologise for that with the effects. When we get on to the next line, it's plain sailing. Is it vial? It is vial. Well done, Jacob. Right, 20 across. Hit the slopes. I think we had that one on Tuesday. Hit the slopes. Is it ski? Is correct. 21 across. Make sense. Make sense. Starts with the letter G. Makes sense. Is it get? Not get, but close. G-E. I think I know this one. I think it could be gel. Yeah, gel. As in you gel. Okay, 22 across, 5 letters. Persuade someone to accept something. Persuade someone to accept something. These are really good clues, actually. Ends with an S. Does it end with an S? It does. Persuade someone to accept something. Starts with the letter S. So it starts with an S and ends with an S. So we've got 5 letters. Okay, second letter is an E. Is it cells? It is cells. Well done, Nassim. Okay, maybe if you're watching replay, you want more time, you can always pause the video, of course. Okay, but don't give yourself no more than a minute. 23 across. Your clue is rope. Rope. And it starts with the letter C. You should have got that. It starts with a C because of the attic going down. Is it cord? Is correct. And 25 across. Okay, we're looking for a 7-letter word. Most calm under pressure. Most calm under pressure. A lot of people used to say that to me. They used to say, you know, when you go live on TikTok, are you never scared? Are you never like, you know, when you look at the numbers? Because one time there were numbers, were going into the thousands on a live stream. But I was always told one piece of advice. Always remember, it's like as if you were doing a radio show or something. Just imagine you're either talking to yourself or talking to your nan or your mum. You know, someone that you love the most. And that's, you know, if you just imagine you're speaking to that one person, then there's nothing to be worried about. Okay, is it Placid? Obviously, I see your usernames, and I can't always say the usernames because the chat's too fast sometimes. It's impossible to say everybody's name. But I do see familiar names, of course. But yeah, if you've never gone live before and you can go live on TikTok, just do it. Just do it. You will surprise yourself. Okay, 27 across. Well done. Coolest is correct. 27 across. Addition word. Addition word. Oh, so there's days I come on and I might not be feeling great. If I'm not feeling well, I've got a headache. And I'll obviously let you guys know if that is the case. But yeah, sometimes you do need a little step back and think, do you know what? I'm just going to have a day off. Or change things around a little bit so that things then can not improve, but things can it motivates yourself, I think. So okay, is it and? Is correct. Okay, 30 across. Right, a reddish brown is your next one. Reddish brown. And it starts with the letter B. Starts with the letter B. I said we were going to do Wordle, didn't I? Maybe next week. Is it bay? Is correct. And your next one, your clue is reverse. Reverse. starts with the letter U. I'm just going to put a poll up. Which is your favourite game? See if it works. It might not work though. Second letter is an N. Is it unto? Not unto. Undo. It is correct. 32 across. Your clue is jumped. Jumped. Starts with the letter L. Any guesses? So I'm just doing this crossword at the same time. Is it leaped? Is correct. And 34 across. Your clue is gorilla. Gorilla. Right, I'm going to pop this up now on the screen. So if you could all vote. There we go. So if you could all fill in that little quiz, 2 minutes. Is it ape? It's just asking what your favourite is, whether you prefer crossword, word skates, Wordle, or trivia. Okay, next one then, 35 across. Your clue is free ticket. Free ticket. Starts with the letter P. Is it pass? Pass is correct. And 39 across. Word of apology. Word of apology. Is it sorry? Sorry is correct. And 40 across. Delivery company. Delivery company. Is it UPS? Is correct. I'm not sure if some of these are the same questions. Okay, because we've had that one before as well. 41 across. We're looking for a 5-letter. And your clue is compassion. Compassion. So far, 30 seconds to go. Everyone's agreeing they prefer the crossword. I think it's because we do this the most. Is it mercy? Is correct. And 42 across. I'm blank you. I'm blank you. Okay, so the votes are in. You've all agreed with the crossword. So it's good to know, even though there's only 2 of you voted. Is it with? Not with. Is it onto? Is correct. Okay, 43 across. Wherefore blank thou Romeo? Wherefore blank thou Romeo? Wherefore art thou Romeo? You didn't get the question. I'm not sure why. It might not have come up. Unless it was just for the UK. I'm not sure. Well, no, it should have come up. It was in the top corner. Never mind. I'll try it again. Do it again another day. Okay, one who likes soul food. Seoul. Seoul? Shawl. Is it Korean? Is correct. Don't worry though, we'll do it another time. Alright, 45 across. Your clue is bite. Bite. Okay, and it starts with the letter T. Starts with the letter T. Now try to tune in, guys, on Sunday. I'm not sure what time it is yet. I think it's any time between 12 and 1 p.m. for the Pride Festival. So the Pride Festival is on Sunday. They have the parade. So hopefully I'll try my best to come live on Sunday morning or afternoon. I'll find out the times and let you know tomorrow. I keep thinking it's Friday today. Because Tang is correct. And 47 across. Flower garden. Flower garden. Here's your next one. Because usually they have it in August, and this year it's in July. But usually it's because the weather's been terrible in August, so they moved it to July, and the weather has not really been great until now. So fingers crossed it stays a little bit warm. I think it's going to be actually all right this weekend. Is it bed? Is correct. 48 across. Your clue is circle section. Circle section. Is it arc? Is correct. 49 across. Artist's paintboard. Artist's paintboard. Starts, I think I know this one. Okay, is it canvas? Not canvas. Is it palette? Well done, Lady Shishi and John. Palette is correct. 52 across. Your clue is exposed. Exposed. We're doing well today. I'm not saying we don't do well, but we're, sometimes when it depends on the types of clues we get. If they're terrible clues, then you think, oh no, we've got another 50. How many words do we do? 59. Well, we do half of that, don't we? We must do about 30 or 25 minimum clues. You guys probably know more because you had your points up. So I reckon it's about 25 in it to 30. Open is correct. And 54 across, your clue is pop-up. Pop-up. Is it arise? Is correct. 55 across. Wheel groove. Wheel groove. Is it cam? Not cam. Is it cog? It's not cog. Is it rut? Is correct. 56 across. Your clue is help. Help. So whilst you're thinking of this one, I'm just going to grab some questions. Well, let me get it set up. 1 minute. Because I'll ask for a topic. Let you guys decide what type of questions you would like. Today, is it aid? It is aid. And 59 across. Small change. Small change. Or is it coin? Coin. It's not coin, but very close. Starts with a C. Second letter is an E. Cent is correct. 60 across. Kitchen appliance. 4 letters. Kitchen appliance. Is it oven? Is correct. And 62 across. Computer killer. Computer killer. I think I know this one. Yeah, is it virus? And 64 across. with a banjo on my blank. With a banjo on my blank. So it's got to end in an E, I think. With a banjo on my... Not head. Pack. Not pack. Pace. Not pace. Ends with an E. Starts with a K. With a banjo on my... knee. I think it's knee. And 65 across. Compact blank. Compact blank. I heard in the news this week that I think it's Japan or somewhere where they produce these. You know, the floppy disks. They're gonna stop making them now. So yeah, if you've got any floppy disks, there might be a few of you who don't even know what a floppy disk is. It's what they use as memories, massive memory cards, basically, that were used for the really, really first computers. Okay, cause to appear. Is it event? Is correct. Oh, not event, but does start EV. Cause to... Oh, sorry, cause to... Did I say cause to event? I meant to say cause to appear. Cause to appear. Third letter is an O. EVO. Is it evoke? Well done. 67 across. Your clue is sum. Sum, S-U-M. I think I know this one. Is it add? 68 across. Anniversary, for example. Anniversary, for example, 4 letters. Is it date? And your last one, doctrine. Doctrine, 5 letters. And then I'm going to ask you that question. Stick around though, because we're going to do a topic for our trivia for today. Is it edict? Not edict. Starts with a T. You can use the downwards to help. That could be an E, I think. Yep. An N, an E, and an A maybe? Tenere? Not tenere. Tenet is correct. Well done, guys. Sorry for the advert there. Right, pop in the comments how long you think that took to complete in minutes and seconds. And then I will give you the answer. So, how long do you think that took in minutes and seconds? Sorry for the advert. I'll cross that off as soon as I can. That looks a good game, actually. That must be a new one. Maybe we can play that another day. Okay, I'm going to cross that off. There we go. Sorry for the advert, though. Okay, so pop in how long you think that took to complete. S is going for 24:24. Lady Shishi's 24:07. I'm going to go for 22 minutes. 22 minutes and 1 second. Yeah, you're very true with that as well. Some of the adverts on there tend to not even be the game itself when you go to play them. But we do play wordscapes. I do like anything that's with wordscapes. When it works, of course. It always crashes our TikTok for some reason. Okay, let's reveal the answer then. So from the minute we started the crossword, good luck. 20 minutes and 10 seconds. 20 minutes and 10 seconds. Well done. I can't... So if you did set a time or anything, I've got to go off what it says in the game. So, well done. If you got 20... Who got that closest then? That was... Do you know what? I think for the first time, it was me. Well, there's 2 minutes between that, isn't there? 24:07. Oh, no, it would have been 4. So I said... Did I say 22:01? I think it was me anyway. So, right then, put in a topic that you would like me to give you some questions on. Thanks, John. I think it was me. Yeah. So, put in a topic what you would like a topic on. Any topic. And I'll choose one at random and give you some questions. I get the 50 points. Yay! I've never had 50 points. So Dr. Boss is saying astronomy. Well, we did flowers. We've done flowers before, haven't we? So the name of that game is called Redstone Games Crossword. If you search for that, you'll find it. I've gone on the App Store before and searched that, and it's not always come up. So I tried to click a link that is, from a search engine, but make sure it takes you to the actual App Store. Okay, I think we'll do astronomy then. Dr. Boss says astronomy, so let's do astronomy. Yeah, we've never done astronomy before. So here we go then. Some trivia on astronomy. Question number 1. What is the largest planet in our solar system? What is the largest planet in our solar system? Got some really good questions here. So give you 10 seconds on each. And if you get the answer right, give yourself 10 points. So the correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Question number 2. What is a light year? And I'm looking for I'm looking for a number. How many miles is a light year? So, in 1 year, you can give me the answer either in miles or kilometres. So, what is a light year in miles? So you are correct. It is to do with 1 year. So it's something to do with 1 year. But how many miles or kilometres? So there's a few questions in that one, isn't there? Like, what is a light year? How many miles or kilometres? And what's it all about? Well, I can tell you it is the distance that light travels in 1 year. And it's approximately 5.88 trillion miles. Trillion miles, or 9.46 trillion kilometres. So that is a light year. Just to recap, a light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. I guess that's 1 Earth year, which is approximately 5.88 trillion miles, 9.46 trillion kilometres. And you say you don't learn anything on this channel. Right, question number 3. What are the terrestrial planets in our solar system? What are the terrestrial planets in our solar system? I'm going to tell you there are 4. So I need 4 answers. What are the terrestrial planets in our solar system? So 4 planets. Can you name them? And I'll give you 10 points for each correct answer. Okay, we're getting some answers in now. Okay, so terrestrial planets are solid rocky surfaces, and they include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So well done if you said all those. Give yourself 40 points. 10 points if you got each one correct. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. For some reason, I don't... Why have they never created a chocolate bar called Earth? The Earth bar. Right, question number 4. Right. What causes a solar eclipse? What causes a solar eclipse? So I'm looking for 3 words. Well, 1 word really, but it's mainly 3 words. So we're getting some great answers. Okay, so well done. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, and it blocks all or part of the Sun's light. So a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, blocking all or part of the Sun's light. Well done. Okay, question number 5. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Well done, everyone. You are correct. Yep, our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. I wonder how it got its name Milky. That's not a question. I just wondered why. Okay, question 6. What is the difference? This is a good question. What is the difference between a comet and an asteroid? What is the difference between a comet and an asteroid? There was something on YouTube yesterday I was watching, but it came on my app. And apparently one of the asteroids is like so close to Earth. I don't know if it's... don't know how close, but... So we're getting some answers here. So Esther's saying that a comet is a star. Dr. Boss saying a comet is fueled by the sun. Nassine is saying that one is bigger. Lady She says a comet has an icy tail. And Esther says asteroids are rocks of space junk. Okay, Bowles is saying comet is a star, an asteroid is a space rock. John says asteroid is rocks, the other is ice. Okay, so the answer is comets are icy bodies that release gas and dust, forming a glowing coma and sometimes a tail as they approach the sun. Asteroids are rocky or metallic objects that orbit the sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. I wouldn't like to be between Mars and Jupiter. So well done if you said that. If your answer matches, give yourself 10 points. Okay, question number 7. This is a good one. How many moons does Saturn have? How many moons does Saturn have? You could do with an icy tail right now. Whereabouts are you, Ballsy? Your science teacher lied to you. I'm sure they didn't. So how many moons does Saturn have? I've got to go off as of 2023. That is the answer I've got here. So maybe it's changed. I don't know. How many moons does Saturn have? Are you in the UK, Ballsy? I've got some fans in my showcase in my TikTok shop if you're needing any fans. And the USB ones as well, so you don't even have to plug them in. Have a look in my showcase because there's loads of discounts as well this week. You need a warm tail. Okay, the answer is 83. So how many moons does Saturn have? As of 2023, Saturn has 83 confirmed moons. They might have more, because we haven't found them yet. And did you hear about, on our actual moon, have you heard that there's actually been a cave found? So they're hoping when we travel to the moon again, they will land there, and that's where they're going to set up a moon base in the cave. So I wonder what's down there. There might be... I don't think anything is on the moon, personally. It doesn't have a atmosphere, does it? Like the Earth. So there can't be any life on the moon. That's my opinion anyway. Right, number 8. There are hieroglyphics in the cave. Be fascinating to find out, wouldn't it? Little green men. Okay, number 8. What is the name of the closest star to the Earth? This is a good one. What is the name of the closest star to the Earth? Ooh, we got some very good answers coming through. I'm not saying I didn't expect the answers, but I'm very impressed. Not Twinkle. Hey, Tessie, good to see you. Yeah, well done. It is the Sun. So the closest star to the Earth is the Sun. The next closest star system is called Alpha Centauri, which includes Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.24 light years away. There you go. So the answer there was the Sun. Question number 9. We're learning so many good things today. What is a black hole? What is a black hole? It's fascinating. I'm quite fascinated by black holes because when I read just then the definition, you think wow, something that there's a when I tell you the definition, you'll be you know mostly what a black hole is, but it's quite impressive, isn't it? Yeah, disaster. Someone said disaster. A died star, an imploded star. Sucks in light, a vacuum, a dead sun. I can tell you were all correct. A black hole is a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape from it. Black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars after they explode in supernova. Incredible. A lot of people used to think that like going through a black hole takes you to this other dimension. It's fascinating, isn't it? We'll never know unless we create something that is, you could go into a black hole and then, yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Sort of bends time and space and everything. Anyway, your last question then, guys, for today, and all being well, I should be on tomorrow, so we'll do an anagram quest, crossword, and another trivia. So to get thinking of topics that you would like. Okay, question number 10 then. What is the main difference between a galaxy and a nebula? What is the main difference between a galaxy and a nebula? And I don't think they've ever brought out a nebula chocolate bar. There's one word I'm looking for. Well, two words, actually. So there is a difference between them, actually. Quite a big difference. So think about what a galaxy is. Think about more about the time scale of each. It's more to do with the time. That's the best way I can describe it. Because when you hear these two words, I do think to myself, they all seem to, you think everything's the same, but it's really not. It's a very good question, this, actually. Yeah, Tessie's got it, I think. Yep. Yep. Okay, so the difference is a galaxy is a massive system. So when a lot of you said size, consisting of stars, stellar remnants, that's the big clue there, remnants, interstellar gas, dust and dark matter, bound together by gravity, right? A nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space, often the site of a star formation. So that nebulas, I guess, are more to do with the creation of new stars, whilst galaxies are the remnants of gas, dust, stars and dark matter. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. That was something a little bit different. I enjoyed that. So we'll do more of these. I do like learning about different things, and you can say now you know about what a galaxy compared to a nebula is. And you know how many moons are on Saturn. So there we go, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I'll hopefully be on tomorrow, and I will see you then. If you want in any summer stuff, as I say, go onto my showcase on my profile page. Have a look at my videos. Give them a like, because it helps push out the videos as well. Repost my videos if you enjoy them. Do cooking videos as well. I also do travel videos. Might start doing some different other types of videos as well. If you've got any suggestions, just let me know. But I'll try to be live Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Fridays, or Wednesdays, Thursdays and... No, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. So, you're very welcome. So, catch you all in the next one, guys. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.